Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Safari not working on your MacBook. Alright, let's get started. Solution number 1. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open the Safari browser on your Mac. Go to Setting menu. Click on Privacy. Select Manage Website Data. Tap Remove All. Finally tap Done. Solution number 2. Forget and reconnected Wi-Fi. Open System Setting on your Mac. Click Wi-Fi from the left sidebar. Click the eye icon next to your network. Select Forget this network. Confirm to forget. Wait a few seconds, then reconnect it to the Wi-Fi by entering your password. Solution number 3. Disable extensions. Open the Safari browser on your Mac. Go to Setting. Select Extensions. Then turn them all off to check if one is causing the problem. Solution number 4. Restart your Mac. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select Restart. Choose whether you want apps and windows to reopen after restart. Then click Restart to confirm. Solution number 5. Update macOS. Open System Setting on your Mac. Go to General. Select Software Update. Your Mac will check for updates. If an update is available, click Update Now. For a major upgrade, click Upgrade Now. That's it. Guys, these are the best solution to fix Safari not working on your MacBook. Try them one by one and I am sure Safari will be back to normal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.